Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of the game Jujutsu Kaisen. On our last video, many of you commented that you are facing connection issues on Xbox. So in this video, we're gonna talk about this error and also gonna see some ways to fix it. So first of all, check your internet connection. Provide a wired connection if required. Also, the game requires an online multiplayer subscription to play on console, which means you have to buy a subscription if you want to play the game on console. You can easily purchase it from the official website of Xbox. The game comes with 3 different editions: Normal Edition, Deluxe Edition and Ultimate Edition. So choose what you want. The next thing you have to do is to check Xbox status. You can easily check it from the official website of Xbox. This will help you to know whether all services of Xbox are working or not. If all services are working, then first of all test network connection on Xbox, and for that open settings, go to general, go to network setting and open test network connection. After few seconds the Xbox will tell you about the state of your network connection. The next thing you have to do is to test your multiplayer connection. For that, go to settings, go to general, select test multiplayer connection. From this you will get the information regarding your console's multiplayer connection. The next thing you have to do is to test your network speed, and for that again go to settings, go to general, go to network connection and open test network speed. If your network is slow, then shift on other network. You can even change DNS setting if required, and for that open network setting, go to advanced setting, select DNS setting, select manual, and you can easily change it from there. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can easily visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.